Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to add a recovery number to your Google Gmail account. So to add the recovery number, you go to your settings, scroll down and click on Google. You see the Google service over here. Click on your email and click on manage Google account. Swipe to the security tab and scroll all the way down and click on recovery phone. It might ask you for a password or your fingerprint. Here, you're going to see an option to add a recovery phone number, which is very important, by the way, because they can use it to reach you in case you have an issue with your Google account. So that's how you add a recovery phone number in your Google account. That's it for this quick video. See you guys in the next one.